American Battery Metals, SunHydrogen Corp, SunPower Inc. stock update. So American Battery Metals closed the session of the 4th of February 2021 at $3.79, and we have to indicate we have a position in American Battery Metals. It currently has a market cap of $1.8 billion that has increased that is as a result of the gains it has had of late. I believe its short interest was increasing some days ago or something like that. Technically, American Battery Metals appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping and the MACD histogram is above zero. Comparative relative strength analysis shows that it's outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for American Battery Metals is strongly bullish. The slope of the indicator, the 14-period slope of stochastic oscillator is rising as investors are paying higher prices for shares. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive, and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. And a few days ago, we had a price extension analysis for American Battery Metals, and we indicated that its next extension level, which will be at a 61.8% extension level, is $4.49. That has not been reached at the moment, so I think we can still maintain that position based on our analysis and based on the data points we used. And after that 61.8% extension level, the next one will be the 100% extension level, which will be at $4.77. So, but all of these levels, at some point we'll have to review them, because each day presents a different price point, a different data. So in the coming days we will seek to update them. So, but for now, the stock has almost sort of corrected from, if you go by this price of $4 and what is this, $4.08, and we're currently at $3.79. Yes, it's gradually presenting a buying opportunity. It has, I would say, corrected, and it's correcting, even though it's still considered bullish in the long term. But yes, it's presenting a buying opportunity, and certain market participants have been indicating that they will, take some money off the table and invest when it pulls back a bit further. So that is gradually looking like what people might do. So yes, I expect this stock to even reach $5 before this February 2021 runs out. Okay, so we'll try and see if we can move on to the next one, which is SunHydrogen. That is provided it. Yes, it's coming up, because we're running a lot of applications right now. It's taking some time to load up. So we have to indicate we have a position in SunHydrogen as well. It closed the session of the 4th of February 2021 at $0.22 approximately. And already some activities going on in the pre-market already. 94,000 have been sold so far, I believe, and only 2,500 have been purchased. So it is, so far it's looking a little bit bearish at the moment. Okay, and going by the volumes, that is not anything conclusive as such. So it has a market cap of $531.4 million. 2.426 billion shares are outstanding. And SunHydrogen appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 316.2% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. Okay, let's see if it is actually correcting within a longer term bullish trend. Okay, yes, if you look at this, that is 30 cents all-time high, and what it is trading at right now at 22 cents. Yes, you can say yes, it is correcting. Yeah, you can say that. So momentum for SunHydrogen is as measured by 14-period slope stochastic oscillator is waning. This is the price rate of change, so the momentum has dropped a lot. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions but at lower prices. Yes, that's a good chance that is what's going on. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The unbalanced indicator shows that the longer term accumulation has given way to near term selling pressure. Further validation of what is going on with the momentum. So, but even though it is correcting, it's not as bullish. We still maintain that its next extension level, will be somewhere at that all-time high of 30 cents. There's a good chance it will reach that 30 cents before this February 2021 runs out. And yes, probably there's absolutely no doubt that market participants have taken off some money off the table, and right now it has been presenting a buying opportunity. It's currently trading below its short-term trend line, the first of the short-term trend lines, which is the 10-day moving average, which is what you're looking at right now. So yes, it's trading below it. So even though the price of that trend line is saying it is 22 cents, whereas the stock itself closed at 23 cents. So yes, roughly indicating that maybe even that yes, it's gradually creeping up now. You better join the train right now. Things are going to move a bit. So all of these we're pointing out are just data. It's just what has happened. But the key important thing about all of this is that all the market participants are watching. Some of them are playing with algorithms. They are looking at all of these things. That is why it is important. They are not just looking at what has happened in the past. They have the algorithms and the quants they are using. All of these things, look at all of these things, and they allow them to decide it is now a buy. So they're not irrelevant. That's why we tend to point them out. Because other people are also playing this game. They're looking at the data, they're looking at the quantitatives, so it is not irrelevant. Okay, so the next one will be SunPower. SunPower closed the session of the 4th of February 2021 at $40.13, and it has a market cap of $6.8 billion, 170.16 million shares outstanding. 47% of the stock are held by institutions, and it has a short interest of around 52%. So that's a very heavy short interest, very, very heavy. So it will take I believe up to 20 days or thereabout to cover all of those things. So we I don't even know why people haven't gotten in on SunPower to take advantage of the buying opportunity, and also this skepticism in the form of short interest. So we there's some news that came out for SunPower yesterday, the 4th of February. It's probably just that it was it was on the news or something like that. It was definitely on the news, or probably price target was announced. Let's see if we can find out what it is. This is alphabetically done. Okay, we don't have any SunPower here amongst these. Okay, so we'll just ignore it. Okay, let's say it says SunPower appears to be correcting within a longer-term bullish trend, although its market is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 170.4% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. It is outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for SunPower is strongly bearish. Okay, you can see this price rate of change. It's not looking up at all. It is just not positive at all. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is falling as investors sell shares and drive the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. And in the last video, last time we covered SunPower, we indicated that it is trading way below its retracement level, the last of them all, which is the 78.6% retracement level. It is trading below that. So that is given what the data points we used. So at some point we have to recalculate and find out and use much closer data points that are much closer to where it is currently trading at. But the last time we looked at it, I think we didn't include the last closing price at that time, but we found out that it's definitely presenting a buying opportunity in very short time. Most certainly. You can see its short-term trend lines. The faster of the two is pointing out that the price is at $48.51. The other one, the 20-day trend line, is pointing out that the price is $41.11. That's, all of these are averages, so it is cheaper than their averages, yes, probably market participants are gradually waiting, or they wanted to pull back a bit more, consolidate more, and stuff like that. But the stock consistently ran up a lot of gains from sometime in June 2020 relentlessly till it reached its peak at on the 26th of January. So yes, you might expect them to hold back a bit more, and it was trading at somewhere around $5.15. So yes, more than 6 months of relentless ascent. So are they taking money off the table? There's a good chance that is what's going on, but that is also reversing all of those gains, and renewing more optimism, gradually presenting chances of yet more to come, chances of more rally in the sidelines. So yes, if you have the capability, and you're bold enough to jump in on Sunworks, yeah, in the short term, yes, but if you want to wait a bit more, you can always do so, and see how it goes. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video and taking the subscriber count beyond 1,000. Let's keep subscribing, let's keep sharing, let's keep liking. Our analytics indicate that we had over 9,000 unique viewers who have viewed our videos over the last 1 week. So please do subscribe. If all those people who watched subscribed, we will be way beyond 10,000 by now. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video again.